Alright, I'm streaming. Please don't say anything
I'm going this
bad.
way before you fucking
It's always
get us
confused me.
He's gonna get us all fucking killed.
What? Don't I always?
Any of you got an idea?
About what?
People red guards would be.
The British.
Perhaps I could see that. The ancestral British, you know.
I don't even have an opinion.
They look just like them. I'm not gonna make any comments about the Altmer. I'm not gonna do it. I don't need it. I don't need it.
And I mean the Nords, it's pretty obvious who they are.
Yeah, I mean, of course, those are the Albanians. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Don't say anything like that about the Nords.
The
They're
Vikings.
good people. They're good people, the Nords. You know, Skyrim belongs to the Nords after all.
Alright, I gotta be quiet. I'm trying to. Whoa, shit! That did not sound good.
Why? What did I do? I didn't even speak. Why? He looked at me. Why is my fucking cursor in my screen? Get it out of here. Why is my cursor on my screen? Why? Why is my cursor on my screen? How do I get this shit off? Why is my cursor on my screen?
That's fucking bullshit.
I have a problem. Hello? What's the push to talk button in game?
Just
V.
Okay.
You have
Man,
to, like, turn it on,
my fucking cursor's stuck on my screen, like my little pointer thing. How do I get that off? I need this cursor off my screen.
No idea.
Well, I guess whoever watches the video can deal with it. But why'd that shotgun guy target me? I didn't do anything.
The duck made noise at you.
It's fucking bullshit. Fuck the duck. The duck's a bitch.
Congratulations, you figured it out.
I always knew it. How are you doing tonight, Articus?
Tired.
Tired?
Always tired.
Always tired.
Yeah, buddy, that don't go away. You hit a certain age and you just are tired.
Yeah. I'm not there yet, thankfully, but I'll be there soon enough.
Yeah.
I don't like
It
that I'll
is
be
what
there
it
soon
is.
enough. Did they not
Jiggy
grab your
with-
head?
No, it's in there.
Alright, bet. So we'll be back soon.
Not you. I left your head on the floor.
Welcome back.
Thank.
Hi.
Help!
I don't know about that.
What? What's so funny?
I fucking put you under the cart and left you there.
Hey, okay, here comes Green.
Get this fucking duck out of here, bro. I'm gonna kill this thing.
I forgot how to start the truck.
Just, yeah, hold the thing.
Taking one for the team.
I like that you could have literally done nothing.
My
And,
fucking cursor's stuck on my screen. How do I get this thing off?
Also, I just wanted to pet it with a thing.
Ooh, bomb.
Oh,
How did this motherfucker not die?
why?
Because he needed it.
Because he needed it.
Hey guys, I might have to restart my repo so I can get this fucking cursor off my screen.
It should be in your settings.
Recruiter's curse, buddy.
What would
Up.
it? What's it under, Griefer?
Up.
The fuck's up there?
Like duct tape hand grenades, like a whole
Griefer?
bunch of them. Sometimes. Jump and like.
I don't know, man. Figure it out. Ask the fucking pilgrims.
I don't guess so.
Alright, I'll travel back in time and ask them. I'll let you know what they say.
Listen. You think the fucking pilgrims, ask those kind of questions? They figured it out.
Shit.
Well, they also didn't have computers, so...
Sorry, I'm not very
figured
experienced
it
at
out,
flinging people into the steel.
That's part of being an American. We want our dick sucked, we get our dick sucked. Ask the
There you
fucking
go.
pilgrims.
Now
Yeah,
look around up there for a,
yeah.
a thing of
I'll be back,
like a
Articus.
ball.
Articus, I'll be back. I'm gonna restart my repo.
You know that means we have to restart the whole game for everyone.
Oh, fuck. Okay, never mind.
Just
What should I play?
tabbing out.
And tab out, tab back in.
Does that not do anything?
Oh my god, how many are up there?
You should play repo with us, brother.
That
Nah.
does it doesn't do anything.
Human grenade. Oh, I know what a human grenade is.
Nah.
It
Is there
doesn't do
anything else?
You know what? I like it up here. I'm gonna.
Okay.
It's got beer and a chair. Hey, Jigsaw, I have a question.
I've probably got an answer.
If that ceiling is your home, what are those stains on that chair?
Hey, mind your fucking business. I'm a grown man, almost 48 years old. I do what I want. Damn it.
Can these motherfuckers revive me already?
Have fun
How
down
could
there.
you do?
Yep. Like I like. Good and nasty.
And I have my thumbnail for the night.
What would that be?
I'll send it in side chat.
Push
Holy
Q.
shit, inside
Push Q.
chat.
Push Q. Hop in and push Q.
You're gonna
Push
kill
Q.
me, aren't you?
Oh,
I'm gonna
actually, that made you
die.
much heavier.
I'm gonna die, and I know it. Oh!
Oh, what the fuck?
Whoa!
Yeah, you missed again, asshole.
Alright, gentlemen, look into side chat and you'll see my thumbnail.
This is
Oh, me under my chair. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
Fucking great. Alright, everyone grab a health kit.
I'm
I think
already.
a cone of
or-
ice
wait,
cream
yeah.
is calling to me.
What do you say, Gamer?
I think a cone of ice cream is calling to me. What do you think?
And spam E. Spam, 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 spam. Spam it.
Iced cream cone, perhaps?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a
you
75.
creamed? I got you, bro.
I think I might have to.
Let's go!
Do not push E on these. Just grab it, and then someone push number 1. Alright.
Alright, I got it.
Number 1. Number 2.
I don't
Oh,
think
you
you
grabbed
wanna.
it.
I don't think you wanna trust me with grenades.
I will handle the IED.
That's good.
I'm a
I
responsible adult.
if you give me grenades,
Aren't
that's
you
gonna
part of the
end.
IRA?
Hey, mind your business.
Yeah, something tells me and grenades is gonna end horribly.
Let him go ahead. Well, I got the bottle to go with it here.
Hell yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. We're partying hard tonight, boys. Watch out.
I can't drink, guys. Sorry. My girlfriend might kill me. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think it's ice cream time.
Hey Articus.
Yeah, I had some earlier.
Articus, we'll be partying double tonight.
That's a 3rd bottle, by the way.
Triple.
That dog parody up.
Ah! Oh my god!
What are you, Grape Lady
Otto,
Falls?
Otto,
Shut
come
up.
here. Otto, come here.
Okay.
Hey, I got one of these weed flutes. Don't.
Nice, nice, nice. Help, 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 help. Lift, 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 lift. Everyone lift up. And then down. Let go. Alright. I'm gonna take this one to someone find the second head strap.
What the fuck is that? Oh no. There's a big thing coming towards y'all.
Shush.
Fuck. Still alive. Alright. Just keep looting.
I broke it. I broke a $2,500 thing for that.
Jesus Christ. I...
Church right here.
Apart.
It's coming back.
Wait, holy shit, he's alive.
Cover.
Don't go back.
Oh no.
Yeah.
We got the big cube over here.
That.
What the fuck is that
Slender
thing?
baby.
What the fuck
Slender
is that?
baby. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Hide.
Help me lift it.
Grayford, grab the cart. Me. You guys hold it
Damn
steady.
it.
Help.
Yeah.
Hold it steady. Hold it steady. Oh.
There we
Camera's
go.
balling, right? Yeah.
I think it's good work.
Want me to release?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we got enough. We can-
Oh, you dumbass. You almost died.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, I know you.
Bring it on in. Doors are open. Clear shot.
One moment. Let's make sure we got everything we can.
Got a plate here.
That's right here. That's right here.
Okay. Me.
I think that's about everything.
All right. We're gonna push it on, and everyone else is.
I'll push it on. Everyone else head back to the truck.
Alright, headed back.
Be careful.
Yes, sir. You never know what might happen. Right about now, we could get jumped.
We're missing somebody.
Yeah, we're missing Articus.
Let me give him time. Yeah, I think that's him. There he is.
Yes, sir. Easy money, boys. Easy money. Easy
Get in that
money.
bag. Get in that bag.
All right, boys.
Prepare
Good
for the
shit.
bullshit.
First things first. Grab the health kits. Get them on the boat. I'm at Matt's health, so I don't need one.
Yeah, I'm in back.
What have we got? What? Great fur. Knocking shit over. Where's the strength? Is
I was raised
there
in
no strength upgrades?
Man, this music kind of a jam.
All right, let's try and do this quietly.
Actually, Otto, scream and run off.
Sorry, yes, sir! Ah! Fuck, I'm out of stamina!
I still want to see his ass that score because he's marine material all the way. Hold up. Dude, think about it though. Every time he screamed and ran off, we've gotten through pretty well. So like, well yeah. They don't. why?
Huzzah! Yay! Ooh. Ooh, a couch. Hell yeah, brother. This is a damn good movie. Wow, this movie's incredible. Shame that the guys are missing out right now. Let's see how long it takes them to realize that I'm up here.
Mind if I do?
Man, this movie sure is great.
Jigsaw, I got you something. What we got?
Hey guys, I hear y'all down there.
Now you can get back to work.
How's it going down there? I don't like that fucking music.
Cart. Perfect.
Man, this movie's great. I'm surprised they
I'll
added
take a
working.
fair
I'm surprised they
target
added
right here.
working TVs into this. Hey,
Hey, give me my health back.
how do I do that?
Oh, there you go. Thank you.
There you go. Yeah, I was just watching some TV. You know.
Bands! I got bands!
Oh my god, he's rich!
What the fuck? Saw that?
Hey, look, it's
Wait, there's a ring.
hey, look, it's Denmark.
Wow.
Denmark.
Oh, there.
Hey. Man, it looks spoopy in here. Hello, Griefer.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Hanging in there.
Hanging in? That's good. Ooh, there's a trophy up here. Hey, Griefer! I'm gonna pass this down to you. There you go.
There's also something over. There's something over here too.
What is this thing? Articus, what is this?
No idea, but it's alive. You murdered him.
Murdered him.
Ah! Get
Oh,
to the
that's
cart.
promising.
Get out.
Griefer! Hey! What the fuck was that? What was that?
Kill you.
I want to go on record and say that wasn't my fault. I don't know what the fuck that thing was. I just opened the goddamn door.
Yeah.
What was that? Hey! What is that?
God.
Jigsaw, you good?
Do I sound good?
No, not really.
Chat, find it.
What is that thing? You good, bro?
I am now.
Fuck me.
You can't make eye contact with that thing.
I'm gonna try to run in there and get to the other room.
Good luck to you.
I'm gonna need it. It got one valuable. It got a ring.
I watched a video on the monster behaviors and shit, and they do that. They will come back and camp our ship.
Ooh, fungi.
So there's a thing that way, and the Grim Reaper done went that way. Ah, damn it. Okay. What do I do? Jigsaw, get down here. There's a thing in the other room.
No, not yet. Wait.
I don't like that. Oh, hell no. You don't see me. You don't see me, punk bitch. Fuck out of here. Get the fuck out. Go home. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. Fuck. No.
Come on. Hurry.
Fuck me, man. Shit. Okay. We can't just go walking through here. We gotta pick it up.
Okay.
Marcus, wait. Wait.
No, we have another whole. Ah, fuck.
There's one more
What?
thing. There's one more thing.
Hurry. Fuck, this is gonna be bare bones.
You could be in me.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
What in God's name? Did that thing just fuck him?
up, get up, get up, get up. Close the door, close the door, close the door. Okay. Is Jiggy back? Is he? He's dead?
I'll go
Fuck,
get his
you
head.
see
I'll
him?
go get his head. I'll go get his head.
Same area where that like.
I'll go get his head, guys.
So he's dead, right? Yeah.
Oh shit, this is intense.
Go, 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 go. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it.
Oh, yeah.
Otto, good shit.
What is that number at the